What is the process to look up my Starbucks card number?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of how to look up your Starbucks card number. If you've misplaced your card or simply don't remember your number, don't worry. It's easy to retrieve. Just follow these steps.
Where can I find my Starbucks card number?
The easiest way to find your Starbucks card number is through the Starbucks mobile app. Your card number is stored securely in your account, and you can view it at any time. Step 1. Open the Starbucks mobile app. Start by launching the Starbucks mobile app on your phone. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Step 2. Log into your account. Log into your account using your Starbucks username and password. If you don't remember your password, you can always reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password option. Step 3. Access your cards. Once you're logged in, go to the Cards section in the app. Here, you'll see all the Starbucks cards associated with your account. Step 4. Select the relevant card. Click on the card for which you want to find the card number. This will bring up the details of the selected card. Step 5. Reveal your card number. Your card number will be hidden by default for security purposes. To reveal it, tap on the Show Card Number button. Your card number will be displayed on the screen.
What if I can't access the mobile app?
If you're unable to access the mobile app, the next best option is to visit the Starbucks website and log into your account. The steps are very similar to what we've already covered. Step 1. Go to Starbucks website. Visit the Starbucks website from your preferred web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Just as with the mobile app, log in with your Starbucks username and password. Step 3. Navigate to the Cards section. Once you're logged in, find and click on the Cards section. Step 4. Click on the desired card. All the cards associated with your account will be displayed. Click on the card whose number you want to find. Step 5. Display the card number similarly to the app. Click on the Show Card Number button to reveal your card number. That's all there is to it. Whether you're using the Starbucks mobile app or the Starbucks website, you can easily find your card number in just a few steps. Remember to keep your card number confidential to ensure the security of your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Until next time, enjoy your Starbucks coffee.